Amy spent so much money on so much in this house.
There's some speaker wire.
I need to start making smart investments. Specifically, something that actually impresses potential buyers, like a surround speaker system. A couple $100 per speaker for a great name like Klipsch, and another couple $100 to install it. That's a great investment.
The hermit that used to live here didn't exactly keep his outdoor living area in tip-top shape. But once I get done tiling it, it's gonna look like a resort. Scott's not gonna like it, but who cares? I'm so over it.
It's time to quit screwing around and get this flip finished. Today I've got a ton of big jobs happening all over the house. First, I've got to get the old AC unit serviced so it blows freezing cold during the open house. Meanwhile, inside, I'm replacing all the interior